Hi and welcome to a sneak preview of the Fast Track Professional and Personal Development Programme. So this is what you'll get inside your private area. You'll get access to the group tapping sessions with all the dates of the upcoming ones, the ability to register and replays of previous ones. You can also, there's shortcuts here to get back home, and then you can book your mentoring sessions here, and you've got an accountability section here where you can set your monthly intentions, and it asks you for your professional intention, your personal intention, what you're going to tap on, and then you've got sections to reflect on your intentions, and you've got that for every month. And then also you've got quarterly expert sessions. There's also an online community that you can access, which is not on Facebook. It's based here within the program. And then also you've got some bonus videos. You've got bonus EFT training videos and Q&A sessions from EFT trainings. So I hope that helps you make the decision to see if this is right for you. If you've got any questions, please do let me know. And I really hope to see you on board very soon. Bye.